how to fix multiple devices problem on Play Store. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today's video is based on how to remove install on more device on Play Store. So I'll be showing you the steps on how you can fix your multiple devices problem on Play Store. If you're encountering issues with Google Play Store when trying to install apps on multiple devices, you can follow these steps to resolve the problem. Check your internet connection, go ahead and open up your Play Store. Now if you have linked to multiple devices for this particular account on your device, and if you try to install one particular application and it will be installed on other device as well. So in order to stop this, what you'll have to do is you need to go to your profile icon once again, tap on it. After that, go to Google account. As soon as you go to Google account, it's going to take you to the info page here. Swipe towards the left hand side, go to security. Once you're on the security page, scroll down a bit, you'll be able to find your devices. Right over here, you'll be able to find all of the devices that your account is currently logged in. Go ahead and tap on manage all device. You'll be able to see the device in detail. Now if you think that the particular device does not belong to you, then what you need to do is tap on it. Let's say this one. After that, you'll be able to see all of the details. So if you feel that this particular device does not belong to you, click on a sign up button. There will be a confirmation, and for the confirmation, sometimes you might be asked to type in the verification code or maybe a password. After entering it successfully, your account will be removed from this particular device. In this way, you can fix multiple device problem on Play Store. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. If it did really help you, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.